So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna share you my SCMHRD GPI experience. So I gave my SCMHRD GPI on 29th of January 2025. So a day before the interview, I got some mails regarding the instructions of the DDA. So in these mails, there were some documents which I have to keep it in handy. Also, there were three Zoom links for the process. One was for GE, second was for PI, and third was for document verification. So I was also told to join the G Link 15 minutes before the reporting time. Uh, my time slot was 12:30. I joined there, and there were some students from SCMHRD's admission team, and they briefed us about the whole process. And one of the important instruction is that you have to keep your camera on for around the whole process, and your mic should be muted until and unless you are told to unmute them. So after that, we were shown two videos. One was regarding the Symbiosis University and its history, and the other video was created by SCMHRD's admission team. It was like a campus tour of SCMHRD. After which they marked attendance, like we were supposed to show our government ID, our GEPI call letter, and our SNAP admit card. After which we were divided into a group of 6 or 7. In my slot there were 37 38 students, so we were six groups of 6 or 7. In my group there were 6 students. Then we were shifted to a breakout room. There was a one faculty which was waiting for us, and he greeted us, and he was very friendly, and he also checked our government IDs for identity verification. After which he shown us the case, and also uh, told us all the instruction of the GPI flow. So the G flow. So the G flow will be like that. You will be given 1 or 2 minutes to read the case, and after which he will call you one by one, and you will have 1 minute and to speak about the case. After everyone is done, you will be then have a group exercise. So you have to discuss among each other, and uh, after discussing, you have to come in a consensus. So in my case, there was a case related to automobile sector, in which a auto manufacturer company, which is a well-known brand, but from some time it is facing some employee retention issue. So also the employees are complaining about less growth opportunity, lack of safety measures, and poor communication with the upper management. So we were told to list down 3 factors which could be possible for this problem. So everyone gave, different factors. Some were common, but some were different. So after the G, we were told to summarize and give only 3 factors and for this problem. Also, the panelist was very friendly. Sometimes he also mediated if we were, going off the topic. So he told us to, stick to the topic. After which, the G was over, and we were told to leave the meeting and join the PI Zoom link. Yeah. So once my G was over, I joined the PI link immediately, and I was told to wait for 10 to 15 minutes. After waiting for the similar amount of time, I was shifted to PI breakout room, and there were two panelists, both were female and were in their mid-30s. So they asked me some pretty basic HR questions like tell me about yourself and why MBA. After which they asked me about my internship experiences and some challenges, some learnings, etc., etc. And then they asked me about my specialization, and I told them that I want to do an MBA in marketing. So there were some marketing questions. Once it was done, they started an activity in which they gave me a company called Pharmacy, and I was told to state a competitor and some reasons why the competitor will do better than Pharmacy. I took my time and told reasons, and they were good reasons, and I was satisfied with my answers. But after which they, told me that now state some reason why Pharmacy will do better than this competitor. And I guess I've fluked in this answer, but I gave some answer, but it was not satisfying, in my opinion. And once it was done, then she asked me if I have any national or international level achievements after my 12th standard. So I told her that I don't have any national or international level achievements after 12th, but have some achievements in inter-college level or like district level. So she asked me that we only need national and international achievements. So uh, once it was done, she told me to leave the meeting and join the document verification link. So once I was done with my PI, I joined the document verification link, and the waiting time for document verification was very high. It was around 30 to 35 minutes for me, and but it was like a formality. So we were having a chill banter with SCMHRD's admission team, and we were asking for their experiences and campus life at SCMHRD. So it was a very chill conversation, And once my turn came for document verification, it took me around 5 to 10 minutes to verify all my documents. And if you don't have any document in your hard copy, you could also share it on their helpline number, or they will give you a mail ID. You can share it on them. So once you are done with the document verification, you don't have to leave the meeting. Just you have to leave the breakout room, and they will then uh, shift you to another breakout room for feedback. And then they will give you a Google form to fill, and you have to just give your honest feedback. It would take around 2 to 3 minutes, and then yeah, then you can leave the meeting after acknowledging that you have done the feedback, and that's all. Like